Tired of being confined to making small signs? My laser engraver used to limit my sign making ambitions, but I figured out a way to create oversized signs on my WeCreat Vision. Stay tuned and I'll share the details with you. Hi, I'm Felicia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss an update. I started off by wanting to create my own design, so I jumped into Adobe Illustrator and I came up with this adorable Santa sign. Do you know how to use Illustrator? It's a super powerful tool designers use to create amazing original projects for wood, maybe vinyl, or even acrylic. Let me know if you're interested in learning more about Illustrator in the comments below, and maybe I'll create a course. Spoiler alert, the trick to being able to make a large sign on the WeCreat Vision was to slice the pieces that were way too large for my laser in half. That's what I did for the bottom layer and the top red circle of this design. I saved the design out as an SVG, which is a scalable vector graphic. This is the type of graphic that allows you to open it up in maybe WeCreat Make It software or other software applications and size it however you want without any weird artifacts or pixelation. You can see that everything came in as a separate piece or layer, and those big ones are actually two separate layers. Now all of this is way too large to make on one piece of wood, so I had to move things on and off the canvas, and WeCreat lets me turn pieces on and off for cutting. I stumped myself at first by positioning a couple of pieces on the wood, but when I went to start the project, it threw me an error and I couldn't proceed. I finally realized that I cannot have my design outside the canvas space, even the areas of your design that don't have anything on them. Once I had that resolved, the cutting process was easy and surprisingly quick. On my first cut, I realized that it didn't cut my semicircle, so before removing it from the machine, I went back in and added a cut line. This is something I'll need to update in my Illustrator file. I was able to get it lined up almost perfect, and I used an X-Acto knife to finish it off. One quick slice and it was ready to go. I continued to move pieces or layers on and off the canvas until I had everything cut. Then the fun began. I built my sign like a puzzle to see that everything was going to fit as expected, and it looked great. Then I went to painting it. Now I could have used WeCreat's colored wood or even colored scratch acrylic, but I decided to paint this one to see how it looked. I was able to make this large sign because I split the pieces that were too large for the laser engraver in half. Then I used the belt to glue the two semicircles together, and then I used that grouping to secure to the back pieces. I love how it turned out. It's super cute. And I had some faux fur lying around and used that for the hat. Adorable! I can't wait to show these off at our upcoming local craft fair. No one else will have anything like this. I designed it myself. Bet these will sell out fast. How much do you think I should charge? If you'd like to see a more detailed video on everything I did to make this sign, including how I created it in Illustrator, leave a comment below. And feel free to share this with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on new content. And thanks for watching. Happy crafting!